Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's tutorial introducing the stationery. So I will be using the Staedtler pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And today I am using the Staedtler Luna pencil colors to color my drawing. So these are the shades that I will be using today. So starting with the drawing, I will be starting with the basic structure with the pencil. So starting with the base, that is the pot. We are making a bonsai plant today. So a curved line, standing line, then again a similar one more line, slanting, slanting and a sleeping for the base. Now I am making the basic line. It's a slanting, slanting and extended slanting line, a bit curved and slanting again. On the sides I am making the stones. So one curve here and the other curve on the other side. So I have drawn the basic structure with the pencil to avoid any mistake when I outline it. So now giving the detail around the center line that I have drawn for the tree. So just making another similar line as the pencil line. One more line on the other side. So see, look at the thickness between the two lines very carefully. Here I am making one branch. Just look at the lines carefully. We are not going to draw a proper slant or a sleeping line for the branch. They are going to be wavy lines, wiggly lines. So a slanting line here, a bit wiggly, then a curving line. You don't have to draw a proper slanting line. They are going to be wiggly lines. And making the branches more divisions at the top. Just look at the lines carefully. It's going to be thinner at the top and broad at the bottom. So adding few more branches there. Now giving the lines for the texture of the tree. Just look at the lines carefully. It is not that difficult to do. Do share your views about this video in the comment section. So outlining the stones that I have drawn with the pencil. Just adding one more curve, one more stone here. Now outlining the pot lines. The base. I'm just outlining on the pencil lines. Now I'm adding curves for the leaves of the tree. So they are not going to be very big. We just have to draw the smaller curves. They are just like the shape of the cloud. This is a very easy step-by-step video on how to draw the bonsai plant. I hope it is going to make it very easy for you to draw. For the daily drawing tutorials, do like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for the daily notifications. Also, you can let me know in the comment section if you want me to draw anything specific. Any drawing that you feel you're not able to draw, you can just mention it in the comment section and I will upload the tutorial for the same. Now once I am done with the drawing, I am just erasing the pencil lines that I drew at the beginning of the video, as those lines was only for our help. Now once I am done with the erasing part, I am just starting with the coloring. So I am doing a dark green color in the leaves part. So when I am coloring, I am just doing it in one direction without leaving any spaces in between my coloring to get the smooth texture. The stationery that I am using, the links for all these products are available in the video description. You can go and check them there and order for yourself. And do share your experience, how you felt while using these products. These are the Staedtler Luna pencils. The links are all provided in the description. So I am doing the dark green color in all of them. If you see carefully, I am just following one direction, sleeping lines, to color my drawing. And keep the same pressure on the pencil to get the evenness in the tone. See, if we leave some spaces, like few spaces are left there, then you will not get the smoothness in your drawing. So we don't have to leave any spaces when we are coloring. Once I am done with the green color, I am doing the brown color in the tree part. Now it's a smaller space, so I am doing it in standing lines, and that will be easier to do. Here again I am doing it in the direction of the branch. Just covering the smaller portions first. And now just coloring the whole part with the brown color. Again I am following one direction and not leaving any spaces when I am coloring my drawing. So here I am almost done with coloring the tree. Now I am going to add dark purple color in the stones. This dark purple actually looks more like a gray color, dark gray color. So you can do this in the stones. And for the base of the pot, you can do any color of your choice. Like here I am doing the blue color. So if you want to do the blue color, you can do blue color, or you can add any other color of your choice. This coloring is only for the reference. I hope you enjoyed the video and this is going to be very helpful to you. Do share your feedback in the comment section and like and subscribe to my channel for daily drawing tutorials. And also share it with your friends, as all the videos uploaded here, all the tutorials which are uploaded here are going to help you a lot in making your drawings. I hope you enjoyed the video. So here we are done with the whole drawing with coloring. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.